Hi, today I'm going to share with you a ChatGPT prompt template that makes creating epics a breeze. This template is perfect for interactive sessions for product managers. It's designed to ask them the right questions to gather all the information needed to create a top notch epic. Once you enter this prompt into ChatGPT, it'll ask you a question, wait for your answer, and then move on to the next question. You even have the option to skip a question or ask ChatGPT to make suggestions for the answer to the question for your particular epic. By the end of this process, you'll have created a concise first draft of your epic tailored to your answers. The best part, you can easily customize this prompt to ask only the questions that are most important to your company's products or features when creating an epic. So let's dive in and make epic creation a breeze. The prompt included with this video includes 21 questions that are useful in creating great epics. You can see those questions on the screen here. For the purposes of this demo, I've created a consolidated version of the prompt. It's going to ask us 6 questions and then generate an output. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll type in the prompt, and it's going to start asking us questions in order to create the epic. So first question it asks us is the title of the epic. So the name of this epic is Enhance User Profile Management. I'm going to copy that in. Okay. The next question is going to be, can you summarize the epic? So let's summarize the epic and give it that information. For this demo, I've made all my answers extra long and wordy so we can see at the end how ChatGPT will help us make the answers more concise. The next question is user persona. I'll type in a wordy answer for that. And now it wants us to define this epic. So we're going to go ahead and define the epic. All right, another wordy answer. Great. Okay, now it's going to skip ahead to question number 12 in this demo. So that's time and effort for the estimate. Provide a rough estimate of the effort and time required for this epic to help with prioritization and planning. Let's say we haven't gone over this in detail with our development team. So for the purpose of writing this epic today, even though this question is in the prompt, we're going to go ahead and skip over this question today. So we'll just type in skip. And now it's going to skip ahead to what would be question number 21, the feedback process. So give me some ways to obtain feedback from stakeholders and users during the epic development. So I've got some ideas, but I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some ideas for this answer. So I'm going to tell it to give me an answer for this question using its knowledge base and give me some great suggestions. So it's going to give me some suggestions here and create a beta version and do functionality, usability, and overall experience, monitoring, collected through interactive feedback tools, hold regular review meetings, things like that. That all looks great. So yes, I'd like to use this in my response. So as part of creating the epic. And now we're going to go ahead and have ChatGPT automatically write a concise version of the epic. So even though I typed in long and wordy answers, it is using my specific answers and not making up any data in writing a concise version of this epic. So you can see that that is a pretty great way to record all of the answers that you have and make them more readable. These types of answers may be the ones you want to put into Jira. But again, this prompt is helping you create a draft. It's up to you as a product manager to decide what and how you'd like to use the information that is provided in this draft. So finally, the last question down here is, would you like me to rewrite the epic using your original full answer text? So as we pointed out, ChatGPT made the answers I put in much more concise and readable, but maybe I want a record of my specific answers so I can go back at some time and reflect on those maybe I want to edit and add information to what ChatGPT suggested. So I'm going to say, yes, I would like to have a version of this with the questions that were asked and with my specific full text answers. All right, so it's going to go ahead and make a record of that for me, which I think is great. So you have exactly what you typed in specifically. You also will have a version that ChatGPT made more concise. So this is a great use case if you want to give your product management team a specific template that reminds them of the questions that they should ask themselves or each other to create great epics. I hope you'll give this a try. Customize the prompt template included with this video, and hopefully this will make your product management team more effective and efficient. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Steve Hall, and if you want more information about how to use ChatGPT for product management teams, please check out my blog at chatgptforpm.com. Thank you.